Look at that. Yeah.
Look at the baby in your face.
Stay tuned for much more. I'm going to collect my burger now. As you can see, it's vibrating and it states, please take the meal when vibrate. Stay tuned for much more. And this is my teriyaki burger, as I stated just now, and it is the best burger that I've eaten in the longest while. As I said, it comes with a soda, and this is melon pop soda. The last time when I tried this burger, I received lemon pop soda, which was very refreshing. The fries are very crispy, and as you can see, my condiment that I just added to this meal. I also received this to wipe my hand. They call it oshibori or oshibori. So whenever you enter a restaurant, you normally get one of these to clean your hands. Fries, very crispy and flavorful. Only 850 Japanese yen. And this place is very relaxing. Additionally, you have access to free Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi if you do not have any data on your phone. I'm going to try the melon pop soda. Very, very refreshing. I'm enjoying it. Right here in Japan, reversa plaza, you can get the reversa teriyaki burger. It's a very small plaza, but it's very therapeutic, calming, and of course the food, the burger, very delicious.
Head west.
Fries are very crispy, and as I said earlier, very flavorful. And this is my second time at this place. And quite frankly, I'm not disappointed. Out of 10, I would definitely give these fries a 10 out of 10. No capping. 10 out of 10. Crispy, very flavorful, moist on the inside, crispy on the outside. This is my teriyaki burger. You see that? It's very juicy. And of course, it's going to be flavorful. Very flavorful. Well done. And satisfying. Out of 10, I would give this burger, quite frankly, a 10 out of 10. Look at that. See that? Ten out of 10.